At LifeWorks Integrative Health in Shawnee, Kansas, our mission is to find the root cause of your pain or chronic condition and help you restore your health for the long term. We are a multidisciplinary integrative health clinic here in Kansas City metro area, specializing in the intersection of physical medicine and functional medicine. Our team combines chiropractic care, physical therapy, functional medicine, and physician oversight all under one roof. So you can get a complete, coordinated approach to healing rather than fragmented, symptom-only treatment. So whether you're living with chronic joint pain, neuropathy, gut health disorders, autoimmune, hormone imbalances, metabolic syndrome, or the last effects of an auto accident or a work injury, you deserve more than a prescription and a follow-up appointment. You deserve answers. Our providers use advanced diagnostics, personalized care plans, and evidence-based integrative treatments to address what's actually driving your condition. We serve patients across Shawnee, Lenexa, Olathe, Overland Park, and the greater Kansas City area who are ready to stop managing symptoms and start actually getting better. That's the LifeWorks difference. That's integrative care done right.